Have you seen the alert? Go and check your bank. Check. Go and check.
Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Still Mike Accolade. So if you remember in my first video, if you are watching this video, this is a series video actually. It's having a part one and a part two. So the first video I talked about how you can save your like 5 fintech apps that you can save your money inside. Then video I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your bank account. Let's say your name is something like Adejugbe or something. All this thick Yoruba name or thick Igbo name that you don't want like to you don't want to use your personal name for your account. You want something like elite community, like you want an account that will be like accolade collection, accolade team or something, or probably having something like elite collection, elite store, elite this and that. You want to use your brand name, like you want an account number for your brand name, you grab. So let's say you are into digital marketing, you're having a store, you are selling physical product, e-commerce and the rest. So you want your name for your business, like you want an account for your business name. So this app is what I'll be showing you and how you can navigate the app. So let's go straight down to the account now. So this is the account you are going to download, VP. Don't forget they have several versions, but VP is the one that is really working, that I've tested and I know that okay, this one is awesome. So now you download the app, you can see it's already on my phone, although currently I don't have money inside. I think I'm having just 500 naira. So I'm going to show you how the apps works and all of them. So now if you don't know anything about the account, like you're registering for the first time, they will tell you that okay, just download the app, register. They will tell you to verify your account, maybe upload your NIN or voters card or any identity card or something. So then once you've done that, they will give you an account. You can see this account is Mike Accolade. Let me show you here. Mike Adejugo is my name, but this is how it happen. Like this, Mike Accolade is what you'll be saying, because Mike Accolade is my brand name, is what I will show people. You grab. So once I copy this account number like this, that is copied just by tapping it, then I'll be able to send it to people. They'll be able to send me money. Then I will see it here. Just like I said, I'm just having 500 here. I can see this account. I'm using it as well. So it's really awesome. This is not sponsored video. You can see I've not been using it for a while, but I personally love it. I am using Pampay as well. So this one I use it basically if I want to save money, or if I want some particular money to be inside this place. Like let's say I'm running digital marketing agency and I'm also having an e-commerce store. So let's say all the money that's coming from digital marketing agency, I want it to be coming to this place. Then all the money that's coming from my e-commerce, I want it to go into my Pampay. So these are the things that you can do. You can just have Pampay and these accounts, or you can also create. I think there's a place that you can create multiple accounts. Let me tap on it. I'm not very sure. So let's say this place like this, I can't find it again. So let's say I think there's a way you can just create two account or something. Just try to go around it. Then here is for you to transfer money. So these are the people persons I've sent money to. Then this is where you can withdraw or back your money. Let's say you have some money inside, you want to withdraw it. Then you want to pay bills. You can use this account to pay bills, like pay for your airtime, pay for your prepaid account, pay for this something online. But I'm not very sure if they can pay for Facebook and the rest. Maybe they don't have virtual card currently. Then you can use it to buy airtime, just like I said, buy airtime for MCN and other social media, other social network rather. So then when you get to some extent, they will tell you to upload your NIN. If you've not done that, probably you've transact the account to up to like 50,000. So they will tell you to add your NIN or voters card or any or national identity. Then they will tell you to upload your maybe phone number, your real email address, verify your account, verify your face or something. So that they know that you are legit. So it's very okay, and I will advise you to just go around the app. It's very simple to download. Download it on Play Store. I'm not sure, maybe they are on Apple Store, but try it, download it. Then this cash point, I don't really know what it's used for. So I just feel like okay, you can easily see a lot of stuff here. These are the people that send money to. Those are the people they send money to me. Transact something like if they are using it. You can see this. There are people that have sent money to me several times. So then I think these are histories of the things I've done with it. So use it and you are good to go. It's awesome, it's free, and you are not paying anything. Yep, you are not paying anything. Just download the app, register your account and the rest. So see you in my next video. I'm still Mike Accolade. If you have any issue regarding digital marketing, just reach out to me on my WhatsApp 08103483669. I'm going to put my video, like my link, like the link to my WhatsApp in this video description, or probably just check any link around my YouTube channel. You see it, you can go to my website, mikeaccolade.com. So see you in my next video. Thanks.